Come test drive the 2020 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.